Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everybody, myself Muzumle Devraj. I am studying Jhil Polytechnic Nare. Today I am present my mini project of the subject construction material. The project done by Karan Daudia, Tejaswini Mashal, Rupesh Ransing, Pradyumna Pawar and me. The project guided by Professor Shailesh Pandey sir. The title of the mini project is Various Defects in Timber with Neat Pictures. So go to the next slide. Content. First, definition. Second, classification of defects. Third, defects due to natural forces. Fourth, defects due to fungi. Fifth, defects due insects. Defects of timber. There are mainly 4 or 5 types of defects in timber. Define defects in timber. A defect is an irregular of abnormally occurring in on a wood which is responsible for its first, strength reduction, second, lowering of durability, third, lowering of utility, fourth, poor appearance, 5, decay. Classification of defects. Cause due to natural forces, insects, fungi, conversion and seasoning. Defects due to natural forces. Chemical stain, knots, shake, twisted fibers, rind galls, upset and burls. Chemical stain. The wood is sometimes discolored by the chemical action caused with it by some external agency. This is known as chemical stain. Rind galls. The rind means break and galls indicate abnormal growth, hence spirular curve. Swelling found on the body of the tree. Points from where branches are improperly cut out for removed. They are rarely found in a tree and the timber in this part is very weak and not durable. Coarse grain. If the grows rapidly, the annual rings are winded. It is known as the coarse grain timber and such timber is processed less strength. Knots. There are the bases of branches or limbs which are broken or cut off from the tree. The portion from which the branch is removed receive nourishment from the stem for a pretty long time and it ultimately result in formation of dark hard rings which are known as knots. As continuity of wood fibers are broken by knots, they form a source of weakness. Classification on size basis. Pin knot, diameter up to 6.5 mm. Small knot, diameter up to 6.5 and 20 mm. Medium knot, diameter between 20 and 40 mm. Large knot, diameter greater than 40 mm. Classification on from and quality basis. Dead knot, knot which is separated from body of wood. It is not safe to use wood with such a knot for engineering purpose. Decayed knot, popularly known as unsound knotted, formed by action of fungi on wood. Live knot, it is the roughly fixed in wood and cannot separate out from body of wood. It is free from cracks and decay. Wood containing this knot can be used for engineering purpose. Loose knot, it is the preliminary stage of dead knot. Round knot, the cross section of this type of knot is either round or oval. Tight knot, it is a preliminary stage of live knot. The fibers of knot are firmly held on surrounding wood. Dead wood, the timber which is obtained from dead standing trees containing dead wood. It is indicated by lightweight and reddish color. Durishness, this defect is indicated by white decayed spot which are concealed by healthy wood. They are properly formed by ashes of fungi. Shakes, these are longitudinal separation in wood between the annual rings. These are cracks which are partly or completely separate fibers of wood. The separation makes the wood unseeable when appearance is important. Type of shakes. Tar shakes, these are cracks which extend from bark towards its sapwood. These are usually comfort up to the plane of sapwood. These are wider on outside ends and narrower on inside ends. They are usually formed due to extreme heat or reserve frost during the growth of tree. Cup shake, it appears as curved split which partly of woolly separated annual rings from one another. Action on sap present in the tree especially when the tree is young. Heart shakes, these cracks occur in center of cross section of tree and the extend from pith of sapwood in direction of midderly rays. The cracks occur due to shrinkness of interior part of tree, which approaching maturity, the hard shake divide the tree cross section into 2 or 4 parts. Ring shakes. When cup shakes cover the entire, they are known as ring shakes. Twisted fibers. These are known as wandering hearts and caused by twisted young trees. By fast blowing wind, timbers with twisted fibers is unsuitable for sowing. Upsets. This indicate wood fibers which are injured by crushing or compression. The upsets are mainly due to improper feeding of tree and exposure of tree in its young age to fast blowing wind. Burls. They are particularly formed when a tree receives shocks or injury in its young age. Due to its injury, the growth of tree is completely upset and irregular projection appear on the body of timber. Defects due to fungi. Blue stain, brown rot, dry rot, heart rot, wet rot and white rot. Blue stain. The sap of wood is stained to bluish colored by the action of certain type of fungi. Brown rot. The term rot is used to indicate a decay or disease of timber. The fungi of certain type removes cellulose compounds from wood and hence would assume the brown color. White knot. It is just opposite of brown rots. In this certain type of fungi attack linking of wood assumes the appearance of a white mass consisting of cellulose compound. Heart rot. This is formed when branches has come out of the tree. In such case, the heartwood is exposed to attack of atmosphere agents. Ultimately, the tree becomes weak and it gives hollow sound when struck with hammer. Wet rot. Some kind of fungi cause the mechanical decomposition of wood of timber and in doing so convert timber into grayish brown powder. It is known as wet rot. Some important point to be remembered about wet rot are: have always believed that life is full of wonderful opportunities and learning experience. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.